Hello, it's Wednesday. How are you coping with all these videos? Okay, half day today. As I said yesterday, got to go to a drive-in cinema. Gonna go see Back to the Future, for anyone that was asking, Kevin. So, yeah, and we're out. We haven't got a car, we haven't got the Safira, so I've had to be dropped off, so I'm getting picked up in about 3-4 hours, so that's all we got. So, I fancy just doing a few odds and sods and feeling productive, maybe wiring the dash properly, more properly. And maybe switch the power steering as well and try and find some wires for that. Ordered some more bits up last night, hopefully they come in the next few days. And yeah, we can crack on. So yeah, I saw someone commenting and saying maybe we should call the project Frank. I quite like the name Frank actually, so we'll see if it sticks. I might sort of say it a few times today and see if Frank can get a bit better. So yeah, let's crack on. Okay, for all that haven't seen it, hey, we've wired the dash. Let's try and get that focused on there better. Ooh. Works off the ODB2, so it's getting the engine temperature and turbo and revs from all that. So yeah, that'll do for now. I just found some random wires that had positive 12 volts. Woohoo! Okay, I've just made up a couple of little brackets just to stand that off, and we'll just get a couple of welds on that just onto the dash. We'll try and do it as central as possible for everybody that suffers from OCD. I'll do my best. I won't measure it, but I'll go by the heater box. I think that's central. And yeah, it's just Wednesday morning. I'm just doing some odd jobs just to try and kill the time and put off some of the major jobs. We'll crack back on big stuff tomorrow when some more bits arrive and stuff. But yeah, there's something in it. Thinking about things, there was an ECU there. Can't remember what it was. Do you think that was the ABS ECU? Obviously, you don't technically need ABS, and we've already said about removing it because it wastes space anyway. But I've just still got it plumbed in for now, just because I didn't want to unbleed all the brakes and everything. But on the previous car, yeah, I managed to just remove that and run one line straight back to the master cylinder. But yeah, just let me know if I've just gone and got rid of the other ECU. Also, we're at it. There's a little valve here to do with this sort of feedback to the charcoal canister, which is at the back of the car. It's like a little vent. Already got rid of that ages ago when we cut the Subaru up, so we've removed the valve. It goes on there actually. So yeah, we just need to plug that up, I guess. Otherwise, it's just going to leak air and make the tick over be a bit funny. Not sure what I'm having to see tonight. I think it's just a meal deal because obviously we're going to watch a movie. So easier that way, I'll save a bit of money having Domino's at the end of the week for my birthday. Well, here comes the rain. Anyway, I'll just put a crossbar in. It would mostly look better slightly curved and bent, but didn't need to be. It's still practical. Just a tie, because obviously this was a U-shaped subframe originally. Obviously I've chopped the front off, so I've had to sort of put a bar back on just to give it some strength. And obviously there should be something really that's coming across the two cross members as well to tie it all in, but we've put a few welds on it for now. We can always cut that off if it doesn't work, or we've got some better ideas. As I said, it's a job for now, isn't it? It's just see how things go. Allows me to sort of run the cable along, and it starts prepping now for sort of, yeah, we really need to get this front end on properly, don't we? I know somebody has said it already. Yeah, we need to get some of these panels mounted at some point. Otherwise all we're doing is just pissing about, doing nothing, and you lot will lose interest. Alright, there we go. There are two pipes. I haven't completely welded that one up just yet because I'm waiting for a fitting, and I don't need to fit the pipes today, so if the fitting comes, we'll extend it and make it a dog leg like the other one to send it further back. So yeah, a few people go, well, he's running inside, outside, I don't know. My view is, well, we're going to box them in at some point, so there shouldn't be too much of a problem inside the car for safety. Also, I'm trying to make these fittings, well, the front ones do, they go through the bulkhead. The back ones are going to go through like a rear firewall eventually. So basically, it's only solid pipe that's running through the car. There's no joins, and that's the idea anyway. So, yeah, and people about talking about bleeding air. Yes, maybe have to do something. We'll just see. We'll have to see how well. It bloody has air pockets, isn't it? You know, we'll have to figure something out, won't we? You guys will tell me what to do if we have air pockets. So what I was thinking of doing was blocking one end off, filling it with water. One, just see if anything leaks out, but two, I might be able to at some point put a compressed air on the end to sort of pressurise it and see if we get any leaks. What do you think, guys? Do you think that's a good idea? Can't be a bad idea, can it? Anyway, don't know if you can see that. There you go. I filled it up with water. We've got a bit of a leak, surprisingly. Oh well, we'll fix that, won't we? My lovely world. All right, check out my YouTube channel. It's come to the end of the time. It's peeing down. I've put everything back inside now. I really need to get a bigger unit so I can actually work on this car easily, but that's life. Can't do much about it just at the moment. Just waiting for the children to come get me. I say the children come get me. They are 23 and 20, so yeah, they're old enough to drive. So hopefully we get the Sophia back soon. God knows what's going on with that. But anyway, not the ideal weather for going to see a driving movie, even though you can sit in your car, but you're supposed to be able to sit outside, but we shall just have to see. Us British people, we'll just keep on doing it. So waiting for a wire loom to turn up. I'll give them a shout out when it does turn up. Some guys made me a wire loom for the fans for the back and water pumps if I fit some. So that's very nice of him. I've forgotten his name now, but I will shout him out next time just so when it arrives. What else have I ordered? I ordered a new regulator for my TIG. Not that it's actually going to make any difference to my welding, but you never know. And yeah, so I think that little test, putting a bit of air in the water, seems to work. So hopefully we can try and have some confidence that we've got no leaks. But yeah, hopefully, get to the weekend, hopefully, we can try and get the car outside and running up to temperature. That would be amazing if we could do that. Well, anyway, thanks for following me. Sorry it's been a bit of a poopy wet day.